Hello everyone, we'll discuss about .NET 6 link features, MinBy and MaxBy method. Assume we have a list like this. It is showing red squiggly because I have to include from where I am making use of this list. I have already created a class called students and it is available in the namespace link features. We need to use that in our main program MinBy and MaxBy in order to find maximum and minimum values from a collection. We'll take a variable topper and find out which student has maximum marks by making use of MaxBy function. We have to pass the selector to this MaxBy function. In a similar fashion, by making use of MinBy function, we can find out the student with lesser marks. So here, we change the variable to poor performer. Instead of MaxBy, just make use of MinBy function. Let us print these two students to the console. You can see topper is Anvesh and poor performer is Vedansh with marks 35. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.